Hi, this video is for Leo. Um, what is Leo's blockage right now? Ooh. So your blockage is your emotions, not moving forward, not wanting to move forward, not expressing your emotions, holding it back, and yeah. Yep, that's your blockage. Anyways, moving on. What advice can you give Leo Spirit? So this card is all about staying up late at night and having sleepless night. This card is all about it's upside down, so that means that like you didn't have clarity at first and now you do, but you're still stuck. These are swords. You're still stuck in your head. You know, your advice is to yeah, the universe kind of wants you to cut that off, like cut off that negativity, cut off being in your head. These cards are random, by the way. Like I'm randomly shuffling them. So, yeah. You're just really thinking, overthinking, and that's what's blocking your emotions. Yeah. So you see strength. Strength is a Leo card, and it's upside down. You've given up on a situation. Doesn't mean you're weak. What else? Yeah, you cut off communicating about how you feel. Let me see. Building something, you don't really want to build it anymore. You don't want to build towards whatever it is. You're kind of too scared. I mean, I don't know. These cards are just all about you overthinking and probably destroying what you're thinking about, rebuilding it back, and then destroying it again, going back and forth, back and forth. Why is the Three of Pentacles here for Leo? Ooh. You don't want, you're confused, conflicted, you feel lost. You have options, but you're not really taking any options. You feel abandoned. Sorry, I'm looking at these cards right here. You feel disconnected from love, abandoned for sure, left in the cold, because this card is all about being left in the cold. You're indulging in your emotions. Like, when I say indulging your emotions, you're just basically drowning in your emotions. We got the Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. See, you got like the end game like tarot cards, but they're all in reverse, which is not, it's a good thing, but it's also a bad thing because that's showing me that you're like passionately angry, imbalanced, right? But if they were not reversed, you would be like on top of your game. You would be the I don't give a fuck mode and just be in that frequency of just kind of like going with the flow, not resisting shit, you know? So you're just rejecting everything but that is coming in or that is offered to you. you're also not really in your power, so you might... No, it's not that you're not in your power, you just don't feel like you're in your power. There you go, I'm sorry. Yeah, and then it's also saying that, like, you're drinking, you don't want to heal yourself, you kind of just want to... Like, how many cards have to go upside down? And you feel like you're at a distance from someone, you feel hurt, your heart really hurts. It's also saying that you were in a third party situation. This is a Three of Swords, so that's what clarifies it. You might travel somewhere soon. I don't know where though. Or you might be at a distance from someone. That's all. Anyways, let's move on. Let's get some positive, like, random advice from the universe. Spirit, please give me advice for Leo. What should Leo do? What should their future action be? What should their future action be? Your future action is that you're gonna just reject. You're gonna feel like you missed. No, is that what it means? No, you're gonna have opportunities offered to you, but you're gonna, like, reject them, right? So your future action is not to do that. You know, try not to do that. Yeah, you're holding on to the past so much to the point where, like, you don't want to start anything new. You're just, I mean, I want to say you're focused on healing, but you're just resting. You're just existing in a space. Resting. That's, you know, this is what this card is just like. I'm just laying here. Ooh. What is this Queen of Cups intentions? What is this Queen of Cups intentions? Okay. Let's just take that Queen of Cups out because we don't need that negativity there. It's just saying that, like, you're gonna be just really defensive, protecting yourself. Wait, what is this Queen of Pentacles? What is Leo's intention with this Queen of Pentacles? What is Leo's intention with this Queen of Pentacles? Okay, alright. So you might be offering your cup of love and investing your time and energy into somebody. But not right now though, in the future. Not right now. Because you still have to do all these things. You have to heal. You have to let go. You gotta stop. You gotta be open. Stop rejecting opportunities. It could be opportunities to go out. Opportunities to have fun. Opportunities in love. And then you also have to heal yourself. And stop being confused. Stop feeling like you got abandoned. Stop drowning yourself in emotions. Stop drinking. Heal yourself. Stop being defensive. Actually walk away. Not like when you walk away from something, you stop thinking like completely. You stop like thinking about it. You stop letting it hurt you. You stop replaying it. You stop it completely, you know. I don't really have to say much because you already know this. Okay, what is this Ace of Cups about? Is Leo really gonna offer this? Or yeah. Yep. So you have to close out a cycle. You know, cycles are kind of like toxic, and you gotta close that up so you can start working towards a new beginning. And it doesn't have to be towards a person. It could be everything that you desire, that is abundant, that makes you happy, that's stable, that's, you know, because this card, you can see him working hard, and then this is all about opportunities, business, and stuff like that. And this is all about going full circle and closing a cycle, right? So that's what the Ace of Cup is. The Ace of Cup is also about new love, but self-love too, you know. But you only let's see, what is the Queen of Pentacles' future action towards Leo? I want to know that. Ooh. What is... Whoa. Alright. Can we verify the King of Cups, please? Oh. I don't know if I should, like, read the other cards. I don't... What is the Queen of Pentacles' intention towards Leo? Like, what is... I'm not gonna read those cards. I'm gonna redo it. Damn. The same two cards came out